If you follow the Gaza conflict, you need to know about Israel's newest move. Weapons, clans, and a major shift in strategy. Here's what's happening. The Israeli military is systematically dismantling Hamas's power in Gaza. But there's another strategy unfolding, arming local clans that oppose Hamas, especially the Abu Shabab clan. Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu has approved sending Kalashnikov rifles and other weapons to boost their influence. The goal? Empower these groups to challenge Hamas's authority, stabilize key areas, and help screen out Hamas operatives. As the I.D.F. pushes forward, clans are reasserting themselves where Hamas is struggling. Israel is also moving civilians to secure zones, planning prolonged military presence, and preparing to deliver aid. This bold move could change the balance of power in Gaza, and it's all happening right now.